Welcome to my channel everybody, and this is the most important video for competitive exam join an IIT. Okay, see the solution here. And the question number in my first video there was a solution of 29 problem, and now start from where 30, 31, 33, 33, 34, 35. Okay, and now see here here is a question number 30. A inside polygon circumscribing a circle whose radius is r, and then find the area of a inside polygon, and so that the area of the circle is here pi r square. Now see how can we solve this question carefully. Now we have to draw a polygon of inside. Draw a right circular polygon, and this is okay. Okay, this is a right circular polygon whose size is here n. But in the drawing we see that the polygon here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the octagon. Now let us assume this is the inside polygon. A perpendicular drawn, this is here O, R, A and B, and this is a theta. This is the angle theta. Then this is actually 90. So in that drawing for the triangle OAB, this angle is here actually angle AOR, and that is equal to, this is 90 and this is theta, so 90 minus theta. So this is a double angle. So 2 into 90 minus theta is, this is the whole angle. As this is the inside polygon, so n number of angle is there, so n times multiple of that, and this is a whole circle, and this is a 360, and from that 90 minus theta and is equal to 180 by n, and theta is equal to 90 minus 180 by n. Okay, this is pi by n. Now right here this is pi actually, and now we have to find the area of del OAB is equal to half into base, that is AR. Let us assume this length is A unit, so A into height is OR, so OR half into A, and Y is equal to, we can write here this is OR. Let us assume this is sine theta. This is sine theta is actually height by base. We have to use here height by base. So this is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to height OR by AR means A by 2. So OR means equal to A by 2 into OR. Tan theta, actually tan theta. So this is here 1 by 4 A square tan theta. Therefore the area of a n side polygon is equal to n into this is 1 by 4 A square into tan theta, and you know this is here theta, so n into 1 by 4 A square into tan of 90 minus pi by n. So this is here n by 4 A square cot pi by n actually. Okay, now we have to find the area of the circle. Area of the circle. So here is A. A is equal actually this is here OR. OR is the length is here. We can say this is the R. OA. And let us assume this is R. So so therefore the area of the circle when n tends to infinity, so 1 by n tends to 0, so that is limit n tends to infinity n by 4 a square cot pi by n. Actually this is limit n tends to infinity n by 4. A means this is R and this is here, we have to find here A by R base by hypotenuse, so that is equal to cos theta. So we can write here cos theta is equal to A by 2 by R. So A by 2 R cos theta. A is equal to 2R cos theta. 2R cos theta whole square, and this is cot pi by n. Okay, this is cot pi by n. So let 1 by n is equal to 1 capital N. So n tends to 0. So now capital N tends to 0. So this is 4 by n, and this is 1 by 4n, and this is 4 r square, and this is cos square theta. Theta means there 90 minus this is sine square. So this is sine square pi by n, and this is sine square pi by n, cos pi by n, and sine pi by n. These are cancelled. Limit n tends to 0, 1 by 4n, and 4 are cancelled. So 1 by n r square, and this is here by 2, and sine 2 pi by n. So this is here 2 pi n. Okay, so this is by n, this is 2, and this is pi. Okay, so this is here pi, so this whole thing is 1, so pi r square. Okay, so this is the area of the circle from geometrically for inside polygon, and this is the area of the inside polygon. Now we have to find when n tends to infinity. When n tends to number of side b, n tends to goes to the infinity, then it's from a circle, and then area of the circle be a pi r square. Okay, so you have a very interesting question. Okay, now for 31st. And this is a second degree quadratic equation. A b y square and twice h xy 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0 represent a circle, and it would be a circle when the coefficient of x square and y square are both the same. So when, and this is 31st, when is a circle, then a is equal to b. So we can write, take a common a here, x square y square twice h xy 2g x, and h is equal to 0. H is equal to 0, then it will be a circle. Fy plus c is equal to 0. So put h equal to 0 and a equal to b. So dividing by, so this is 0. So 2g by a into x, 2f by a into y, and c by a is equal to 0. Now radius r is equal to root over, this is g square. So g by a whole square, f by a whole square, g square f square minus c. This is c by a. Okay, and therefore it is a circle. For circle a equal to b and h is equal to 0, and g square by a square, f square by a square, and c by a, this is greater than equal to 0. For equal to 0, it's called a point circle. Okay, it's called a point circle. So this is greater than equal to CA. Okay, for circle it represents a circle when a equal to b, h equal to 0, and this is more than CA. And represent a straight line. So for this quadratic formation, so it is a straight line. It will be some condition C. This is a condition for circle, for straight line. Condition for straight line. Actually, this is the determinant, and this would be a 0. Here is x square, xy, and x, and this is half of xy, half of x. Coefficient x square means here a, and xy means here half of that h, and x means 2g. So that is g. ahg. ahg. So this is here ahg here, and also diagonally a, y, and c, and this is here b, and this is here c, and remaining is that this is f, 2f, and half of that f and f, and this is 0 is the condition when it is represent a straight line. Okay, and this would be a 0, then it is represent a straight line. Okay, see carefully. Now next question we have to solve carefully. See the solution here. Very interesting question. This is 31 and 32. Now we have to do here 33 and see. And see here, students, f of x is equal, this symbol is called the product symbol. You know, summation symbol is that. Okay, but this is called product symbol. Okay, see, f of x is that, and this is 33 here. F of x is equal to product symbol is that from n, from r equal to 1 to that, and cos of 2r minus 1 into x plus I into sine of 2r minus 1 into x. Now we have to, if we product this, cos of theta 1 plus cos of I sine theta 1 into cos of theta 2 plus I sine and theta 2, then we get here, if you multiply, simply multiply, then we get theta 1 theta 2 plus I into sine of sen. Okay, So that's right. We can write here cos of. So from we put here, take a common x here, then 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 1. So 2 into n minus 1, okay, plus I sin x into same as figure is this, okay. Now this is here cos x, and this is here 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot to n and minus up to n, and this is here n, okay, and same as plus I into x into, okay. Now cos of x into this is here n into or n by 2, and this is minus n, okay, plus I into sine of that. So this is n cancels, so n x square plus I into sine n x square, sorry, this is n square, x n square, x n square. Now see here, this is the real f of x, RE f of x, and that is equal to cos of n x square, okay, and imaginary f of x, this is imaginary f of x, and that is equal to sine n square x, sorry, this is n square x. If we differentiate RE f of x, okay, this is differentiate means first dash, and this is a minus sine n square x, okay, n square x, and same as Im f of x, first derivative is n square cos n square x, same second order derivative, okay, double dash, that is n to the power 4 cos n square x, okay. Now m imaginary part of this, and double dash minus n to the power 4 sin n square x. If we added these two, if we added these two, double dash plus Im f of x and double dash, take a common, this is here n square, actually I think this is here I, so this is here I, so that's I, take a common n to the power 4, and now cos n square x plus I into sin n square x, and that is equal to n to the power 4, and this is equal to f of x, okay, this is equal to n to the power 4 f of x. It's proved, it's proved, okay. Very interesting question, see carefully student. And now we have to follow the question number 31st, which I have done in my first video. So again I repeat this solution, see carefully. Again I repeat this solution. See here, this is 34, so 0 to x and g of t, this is t square 2t, and dt is equal to x square and g of x, okay. Differentiate with respect to x, so this is d dx, okay. If we differentiate this, g of x, and this is x square plus twice x, derivative of x is 1, and again put the lower limit, g of 0, 0 square 2 into 0, and ddx of 0 is that, and differentiate this, x square g dash x, g of x, and twice x. Now see, this is g of x into x square plus twice x, and this is x square g dash x and plus 2g. Okay. This is a g of x into x square, g of x into twice x, x square g dash x plus 2x g of x. These are cancelled. So these are cancelled. So g dash x is equal to g of x. So d of g of x by g of x is equal to dx. Now log g to the z x plus log c to the z. So log e g of x by c, and this is equal to x. Therefore g of x by c equal to e to the power x. G of x is equal to c into e to the power x. So this is your answer. Okay, very interesting question. Now last 35 and to this video, very interesting question. See carefully. For 35, see these two equations are given. Now you have to solve from that. We have to solve this. Now second equation you have to write here, x sine theta minus y cos theta is equal to a square sine square theta b square cos square theta, and squaring this. So you get here x square sine square theta y square cos square theta minus twice x by sine theta cos theta a square sine square theta b square cos square theta. Take a common sine square theta. Okay, and this is our x square minus a square, and y square minus b square cos square theta minus twice xy sine theta and cos theta equal to 0. Dividing by cos square theta, then we get an x square minus a square tan square theta minus twice tan theta into xy plus y square minus b square equal to 0. So here is the two solution. This is tan theta 1, tan theta 2. So sum of these two roots. So you can write here tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to minus b by a. This is minus b by a. Sorry, a b c. This is minus b by a. This is twice x by x square minus a square. And from the second, and that is x cos theta by a y sin theta by b is equal to 1, squaring both sides. Okay, so x square by a square cos square theta, y square by b square sin square theta, so 1 square and this is cos square theta, and this is sin square theta. Okay, and this is at twice AB, twice AB, 2xy by AB sin theta and cos theta. Take a common cos square, so this is at x square by a square minus 1 into cos square theta. So y square by b square minus 1 into sin square theta, and this is here twice x by ab sin theta and cos theta is equal to 0, and dividing by cos square, then y square by b square minus 1 into tan square theta, and divided by twice x by ab into tan theta plus x square minus a square minus 1, and this is equal to 0. So from that tan theta 1, tan theta 2, of this equation two roots are tan theta 1, tan theta 2, and sum of the two roots is equal to minus b by a. This is minus b x by, this is minus b by a, and this is a y square minus b square, and this is a b square. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get here twice x by x square minus a square, and that is equal to twice x by b square, b are cancelled, so b by a y square minus b square, this is a minus, so 2x by are cancelled, so this is a multiplied by that a y square a b square minus b are left b x square plus a square b. So now a x square b x square and b x square a y square, and this is equal to around ab, so this is here a plus b, dividing by ab, bx square by ab, ay square by ab, and this is here a plus b, so it's proved. The b are cancelled, so x square by a y square by b is equal to a plus b, proved. Okay, so very interesting question, student. I think all of you better understood, and we'll be happy to see this question, see this solution to the competitive exam, for the competitive exam for Indian Statistical Institute and IIT main and advanced. Very interesting question. See the solution carefully. Okay, bye everybody.